We have some important updates for this video, so let's jump straight onto the laptop. And the first one is regarding bounce speed. Now, we did receive the airdrop on bounce speed. We have already talked about it. If you haven't received it yet, please let me know down in the comments below so I know how many people missed out on that and I could take you to the next video. And this is the possibility to withdraw BBTC and BBUSD is now available. You can visit the portal.bouncespeed.io webpage over here to initiate the withdrawal on either BNB chain or the Ethereum chain. This is how it's gonna look. You have the possibility to deposit and withdraw your token. As we see over here, I've got 34 BBUSD over on their network. So we can go on request or simply claim the token that you have if you can request or claim it. We go to request, we request this token. Balance, we click on max if you want to collect everything. Requested token will be available to claim after 1 day, so there is 1 day to wait, and the pending withdrawal cannot exceed 10 or more times. So what we do is simply click on withdraw. We are going to be moved to the Ethereum mainnet as we see over here, and we're going to receive 34 USDT all the way over there. Now, keep in mind there's going to be some gas fees, so you do need to have your gas fees over on the Ethereum chain. Click on confirm and you will receive it within 1 day over to your protocol, which, as we see here, if you previously staked in the premium yield, you first have to unstake and undelegate your BBTC or BUSD. But it takes 1 day and we will have them received over on our Ethereum wallet, which is very nice and important. Do not click on any secondary link that you find on the comments. Please do not do that because it's gonna be taking money from you. Next up, I wanna take an update over on the Mland hub. Now, this one is an important update. There is the Mland, which we did farm, we did receive already. It's a little bit of an older update, but they did partner up with Pixelmon over here. So stakes farmers are also their farmers as well. So important update, which you can check if you go to meme coin over here, which was the token itself, or it was Mland here, memecoin.org/farming. You can check it, you can connect your wallet, you will be redirected over to their Stakeland website as well, as we see over here. Once connected, you will be redirected to the meme farming. How many tokens you got? This is what we did receive for the farming. The results, then we have the Stakeland and the total meme as well rewards over here, which we are going to be able to have it soon. When it comes to the Stakeland, this is the page Runecoin Center. View the results. We can keep on farming. Coming soon, the airdrop on April 27th. I personally not have this one ineligible as we see over here. But if we go over here, we can stake our meme tokens. And we can simply put it all the way. You can stake now, stake the fees coming, etc. We got the farming possibility, which is the one we just saw. It's also the claiming possibility over here, claim meme over on Stakeland, which you fire sale, or for the airdrops, which we have the captains, your real MVP, and the potatoes. If you do receive, get a Mland NFT for a chance to receive the meme. So definitely go and check it out. If you have missed it for a while, make sure to go and check all the updates that are important to do so. Next up, an important and today's NFT from Zora. It's from their official account. So we go and mint this one. We already got to mint it. It's got only 30 days left. So make sure to go and mint it. I will leave the link down below. If you go and mint 0.0007 ETH, which accumulates to a total of $2.50, not that much if you have the possibility of it. If you do not have it, do not worry. This is not a partnership, for example, with the other one that we saw in the past. This is officially from Zora, which if you do wish to, you have the possibility. I do suggest you and encourage you to go and check it out and make sure to go and grab it. Following up, we got the important subject to talk about, and this is for the Sybil report over on Layer 0. What can you do if you've been marked as a bot? As a Sybil, what can you do next? What is the most important step that you do? Well, you need to go and fill up this form over on the Google Documents, request for investigation. This form is designed to gather information from individuals who wish to challenge the inclusion of their addresses. So if you've been labeled as a Sybil because somebody just wanted you to be, or somebody just simply picked your, your wallet address and put it over here, you can go and do it over here. The wallet submit, got a hiccup over there. The wallet address, please submit only one wallet per form. If you have multiple wallets, you should fill out and submit the form separately. So you go one MetaMask wallet, put it over here. Do not put comma, another wallet. Repeat the process of doing this. And this for now is the only way that you can go and get yourself unbanned, for so to say, unsybiled or whatever, whichever term you use from their Layer 0 airdrop. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna end well. I don't know how it's gonna end, but it definitely doesn't look the best. But provide evidence supporting why the wallet address should not be included on the identified list. Simply say you got less funds, you have these funds, you do this and do that, and then you can go and submit it. But other than that, Layer 0 doesn't really have the possibility. They give out this possibility of investigating somebody, but they give very little chance for somebody that is said to be a cyber or a bot to just go and undo itself. So I don't think this is gonna end well. Probably will short Layer 0 when it comes out, because I don't think many people are gonna be happy with this. Next up, we got the data ownership protocol update. Use DOP, get DOP alongside the mainnet launch, which is coming very, very soon. And this is one of those airdrops which we did farm back in the days, set to happen this week. We're announcing an airdrop campaign where you can earn the DOP for your proposal, for your protocol use. Take action, collect badges, utilize social media, and earn points. Here is how it's done. You can go and check out everything. You can go and read the blog over here. Simply open it up and take a read. There's no action to do, no claiming to do, no nothing. Earn DOP tokens with our mainnet rewards campaign. So make sure to go and read it. Make sure to have read it about. It's probably gonna take you 2 minutes. And make sure to know what you're gonna do with it. Next up, we got the Layer 0 cyber bounty into a war zone. Now, this is something that I found on Twitter. We do not allow content or activity on GitHub that incentivized by incentivizing rewards as a cryptocurrency airdrop token. So they are kind of doing everything on GitHub, as we know, to be labeled, but then GitHub says it's not allowed. So what are we doing here? Are we getting people banned? Are we getting people just messed up? Are we getting people banned also on GitHub, like their actual account on GitHub, and then we're farming them, mimicking them as cyber? Like, this situation with Layer 0 is really, really staggering, and it's really ending up not in the best possible way. As I said, I will short the tokens once it comes out, because I don't think I see any future for it. Next up, we got a application that you can submit by today at 3 p.m. UTC time. So you still should have a little bit of time when this video comes out. You can fill out the form if you wish to run an incentivized validator node on the initial testnet. So this is a testnet, nothing to spend, nothing to worry about. So make sure to go and collect it. Make sure to go and do it if you wish to have a little bit of an incentivization for a testnet possibility. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And there's not much happening within the crypto world recently. I try to take you everything I can. Sometimes it's just not as hyped as everybody else, or everybody makes things in crypto, but I do try to take you daily video for your entertainment, for your information, even a little bit of smaller things, not just the claiming, not just the Solana airdrop. So let me know what you think. If you made it until this far on the video, let me know down in the comments below what you think about it. Thank you for your support, and I will see you all, of course, tomorrow for the next update. Ciao, guys.